Hello, today I'm excited to present Sami's Bank's strategic plans for expansion and operation enhancement as we continue to serve our customer and grow in the Malaysian market. We are proud to announce that we will be expanding our branch to Johor, Melaka, and Sarawak. Firstly, by embracing automation and technology, we will be able to streamline our operations. This implementation allows us to innovate solutions to enhance efficiency and reduce errors. Secondly, we will regularly assess and adjust our staffing needs. This includes hiring, training, and retaining talented individuals who share our commitment to excellence. Thirdly, we will also delegate responsibilities within teams to empower our employees and create a sense of ownership. Next, to ensure the safety of our customers and staff, we have developed comprehensive emergency protocols. Our employees will be trained to handle various emergency situations and act to it accordingly. Furthermore, we are taking customer service to the next level by offering 24/7 support through the use of technology and outsourcing. We also plan to improve our communication efficiency as it's crucial in a 24/7 operation. We will establish seamless communication channels between shifts and teams to ensure smooth customer service throughout the day. Lastly, we value our employees' well-being and actively promote work-life balance by prioritizing their health and personal time. We aim to foster a positive and productive work environment, resulting in better service for our customers. As a bank that embraces automation and technology, it is important for us to have a local area network infrastructure. Our local area network infrastructure includes key components such as network backbones, core switches, distribution switches, routers, firewalls, servers, physical security, as well as redundancy and failover systems. As a bank that embraces technology in this digital era, we will often encounter numerous network challenges. Firstly, in banking, keeping data and transactions secure is crucial. Banks need to find a balance between access and security to prevent fraud. Secondly, fast and reliable internet is essential for seamless online banking. Slow networks can lead to customer dissatisfaction and failed transactions. This will ultimately damage the bank's reputation. Thirdly, banks must follow rules that protect customers, prevent money laundering, and secure data. Fourthly, banks have older systems that don't always work well with modern networks. This can cause issues with compatibility and growth. Connecting this system is important for sharing data and improving connections. Lastly, bank needs to be flexible and expand networks to meet changing customer needs and new technology. This includes managing online traffic, digital service, and connected device.
Hi, I'm Adishwaran here. Today I'm going to present about network infrastructure. This diagram shows floor 1, which is front of the counter. There, beyond this diagram, there are the computers used by bank employees at the front counter to interact with customers. They are connected to the bank internal network and are equipped with necessary software for transaction and computer management. This includes routers, switches, computers, and firewall together with the cabling that connect to all the devices within the branch. The next one is second floor, which is workstation. Okay, each branch location has front counter workstation for customers interaction and back office workstation for internal bank operation. The workstations are connected to the local server and networking equipment with each branches. The branches are connected to the bank's headquarters or central data center, which holds the centralized bank system, core application, and customers database. The data center contains the main infrastructure including servers, storage, and network components that support the entire bank network. The next one is third floor, which is server room. In the server room, there are supercomputer, scanner, switch, and database server, which is The network firewall and security appliance provides security for the entire network infrastructure. They are the load balancer, distribution incoming network traffic across multiple application servers. The application server hosts various banking applications such as core banking systems and web-based services. And also, the supercomputer is used for high-performance computing tasks that require substantial processing power. And the last one, database server. Database server manage customer data, accounts, information, and transaction records. And the scanner is used to digitalize and store physical documents securely. And the network switch connects and manages network connection for all devices in the server room. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ian, and I'll be going through both floor 4 and 5 of the LAN network infrastructure, as well as WAN network infrastructure and WAN network diagram. Upon arriving at the fourth floor, which is the management room, data that are passing through has to be identified by the firewall in order for the data to be spread out to the switch, and the switch will further distribute it to other switches and Wi-Fi. At the top, the data is received by the supercomputer, and the user can bounce the data around to different devices such as the printer, the scanner, the projector, phone, and the copier. In the middle, there is a switch that will send the data into a server, which is powered by a power supply and a CCTV camera surveillancing the area. On the bottom, the Wi-Fi gives the area the ability to access the internet. The devices shown are the phone, tablet, or a laptop. Moving on onto the fifth floor, which is the CEO's room. You will see again the data passing through the firewall and distributed by the switch. On the left hand side, the distribution switch will further spread out the data to different devices such as an IP phone, scanner, CEO's router, CCTV, PC, and the access point. On the right hand side, the Wi-Fi gives internet access to the CEO's device such as a tablet, laptop, and phone. Network infrastructure. I will only cover 5 important points since the presentation is maximum 15 minutes. One of the points are the private MPLS network. It implements a private MPLS network connecting all branch, office, and headquarters. MPLS ensures secure and reliable connections with built-in quality of service to prioritize critical applications such as transaction, processing, and customer service. Redundant MPLS links. Deploy redundant MPLS connections at each branch office and headquarters. Redundancy improves network availability and resilience, allowing traffic to seamlessly switch to a backup connection if one connection fails. Site-to-site VPN for small office. Set up a site-to-site VPN connection for small branches, office, and remote locations where MPLS can be prohibitively expensive. This allows secure connection over the internet to give these branches office access to core networks resources. Firewall and intrusion prevention system. We will deploy state-of-the-art firewall and IPS in each branch office and headquarters to protect our network from cyber threats and unauthorized access. Centralized network monitoring installed a central network monitoring system at head office. The system provides real-time insight into network health, performance, and security across all locations. And finally, the network diagram for LAN network infrastructure. There are three branches, which are in Johor, Melaka, and Sarawak. When accessing the web page, the firewall will scan to detect if there is any suspicious activity. After accessing the proxy server, The users then can access the network of the Sunway Bank, then further brings them down to the web server for them to conduct their transactions and whatso. Data like a client purchase history will be stored in a storage server, or any emails that is sent to the client will be done by a mail server using email protocols. All of these four servers are ran by a mainframe, which is a high performance computer that is used for large scale of computer processing power.
Okay, my name is Jamie. I'm going to talk about illustrations. Some banks ensure secure online access through its firewall detecting any malicious activity. A proxy server safeguard against cyber threats. The web server handle account management, payment, deposit, card issuance, and tradings. And the mail server operate 24 hours a day, confirming transaction via emails. The storage server secure password, PIN, transactions, and historical data. All run on a mainframe for robust processing, handling concurrent user, real-time transactions, and complex database efficiently. Okay, next, we proceed to network diagram for floor planning. The first floor consists of a staircase on the left, an ATM room to cash out on the right with two CCTV cameras observing the area. Further down to the left, there is a chill area where people relax as well the opposite side to it. Upon moving straight down into another room, there are chairs in middle for people to wait for their number when they are called open to the front desk. So, and the left, there are three service desks. On the right, there is a small meeting room. Let's see floor 2. On the floor 2, there's a meeting room crossed to the staircase, and further down 3 workstation rooms and another small meeting rooms. In the next section, there are front desks where most of the management services are located. My name is Shan Yuyan. Now I'm talking about the third floor. The third floor, there are computer labs at the bottom right and a small snack room opposite it. Going down the hallway, there are two meeting rooms on the left, and on the right hand side, it is a conference room where the employees work and simultaneously discuss the project led by the head of management with a washroom embedded in it. Arriving at the fourth floor, there are two meeting rooms on the left, and on the right hand side, there's a huge computer lab where the most of the employee work at it, with three meeting rooms inside of it and a washroom outside of the computer lab. The fifth floor has a large conference room. These conference rooms are fully equipped with presentations, meeting, and discussions. VIP conference rooms in bank headquarters are more likely reserved for an important negotiations, and these spaces are intended to create comfortable private conversations and have important financial decisions.